So just the layout so far on what's going on here in July. The first weekend in July, we had my daughter's graduation. And of course, it was dry. It hadn't rained for a while. And 2 days before the bulldozer got here to contour the food plot, it rained 1.5 inches and it turned to mud again. Because of weather does not like to cooperate. It hasn't cooperated for 2 years. So it really, gets on your nerves when it takes it. Damn friendly. Yeah. So anyway, so we'll be back at it. Hopefully it'll dry out here shortly. And so this is how July has started. We have been able to get the wood out that was right here. There was a pile of tree trunks we had here, and we're able to get that out. And fingers crossed, we're hoping that next weekend, they're talking rain tonight and tomorrow, but there's not supposed to be any rain for the next week. And we're hoping to get this food plot formed up and get something in here before this fall. We are running later than we wanted to, but getting anything in here will help. Getting organic matter in here for next year and everything. But next year, we'll be able to form this a lot better if we get a good start on it this year. So on the edges, we left piles of brush that we're going to be using for small game, making them brush piles, and we'll be putting out here in the winter and burning it to get the ashes and stuff out here to make the soil better. That's our plan, what we're going to do. Right over here, I do plan on having a place for a mock scrape and a water hole. Like I said, weather permitting. Weather's been extremely bad. Today was it got to 93, extremely humid. We worked in the morning. We worked most of the day. We stayed hydrated. It got tough, but storms again tonight because of that. And about 2 weeks ago, we got 5 inches of rain at home. We're 23 miles, 23 minutes away from here. Luckily here only got 1.5 inches, but still just not good for what we're doing here. So fingers crossed on what we're doing. Like I said, it was really slow coming through here this week this month, just because we've been cleaning. We've been cleaning it up and getting everything ready to go, but we really need the weather to cooperate. So we're hoping. So hopefully the first weekend in August, we're going to get this more taken care of. So wait for our August video. Just to show you what I'm talking about, it's raining again since the last time I filmed. And like I said, it was supposed to rain today and hopefully not rain the rest of the week, but Last night it rained almost an inch, and it's supposed to rain all day today. And this has been the common theme this year. It poured hard last night, so yeah, that's been our year.
Thanks for watching this video from Habitat Managers TV. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and make sure to check out my page, What Noah Does for Fun, for builds like this tree stand that I built. And make sure you hit my like and subscribe button as well. Thanks.